Economic termites. Well, what are economic termites? We'll discuss that in a second. First, let's talk about what is a termite. Well, we know termites are little bugs that eat away at the foundation of your house or any really wood that there is, whether it's in your house or not. Now, termites are very interesting because they eat from the inside out. So when you find out you have a termite problem is when all the damage really has already occurred. Economically, the same thing can occur. Now, my name is Robert Wolf, and I wrote a book called Economic Termites. And this is designed to teach business owners how these economic termites can eat away at your savings, your retirement, your wealth, and your business if not planned for. That's the key, planned for. Well, what are these major economic termites? Well, there are 5. The first one is taxes. Well, we obviously know how taxes can eat away at our wealth, but what we don't know is how do we combat that? The second thing is inflation. Well, the Federal Reserve has a goal of 2% inflation. We all know that inflation is eroding our spending power and the dollar and the ability to have value. So if we don't plan for inflation, that could affect our financial future. Time. Obviously, it's fleeting. It's the only thing here that you can't get back. So also, we find that a lot of business owners misunderstand time and how that can equate to their wealth and their business. Fourthly is laws and regulations. How do laws and regulations, when they are changed, what are the consequences, good or bad? But as we all have found over the last year or so, that laws and regulations can affect our livelihood from a financial perspective or an economic perspective. And so we need to make sure we build our plan to protect from laws and regulations. And the last economic termite, which is not in my book, is debt. Now, debt can work for you, it can work against you. Is it personal? Is it business? These are things that debt, reason why it's not in the book, because it can go down its own pathway depending on how you're using it. All of these major termites, though, if not planned for, if not designed, a plan to be able to combat these, then yes, the foundation of your financial ability to retirement, savings, you name it, will crumble from the inside out. What is Terra Firma's mission? Well, our mission is to guide you to financial clarity and advise you on the simple steps to take in order to grow, protect, and preserve your wealth by keeping these pesky economic termites at bay. Our mission is to enhance the attainment of your goals, building you a solid foundation to create a lasting legacy.